In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Higround keyboard software. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to click on here where it says Forge app. And then what this will do here, it's going to basically take you in here where it says that the Higround Forge app is a lightweight, full-featured software that runs from your browser with no installation needed. Now, in here, you can customize lighting, keybinds, setting, and everything like that. So, as you can see, this is actually great because you don't even have to download anything. You can just click on Forge app over here, which is going to take you to app.highground.co, and then in here, you can just click on Find Device top right, and if you have your device connected, your keyboard connected to your computer at the current moment, you'll be able to find it over here, select it, and then click connect. And whenever you do that, you'll be able to then customize everything regarding that keyboard. So here you have lighting, you have keybinds, you have settings, stuff like that. Everything can actually be customized. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.